Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you how you can change the background on iPhone. So changing the background on your iPhone is quite easy and simple. You just need to open your settings. The next thing you need to do is just go scrolling down until you got this wallpaper, and then you just need to tap on it. Right after that, you will be given information about the current wallpaper that you use. There will be two sections. So the left one could be the lock screen, and then the right one could be the home screen. So it just depends what background that you want to change here. You can do with the home screen, or you can also do for the lock screen. Now let's pretend we want to change or customize the home screen. You just need to tap into this customize, and if you want to change it into the picture, you just need to tap into this photo, and then you will be generated into your photo library, and then you just need to pick one of picture that you want to use for the background. But then if you want to stay in the same picture as current wallpaper, but then you want to have another design, you just need to tap into these two options. There will be like a color and gradients. The color will be the color option just regularly, and then you can just pick or customize the color by yourself into this color range right here. And if you want to have the gradients, you can also do the same. There will be like a lot of gradients that you can pick. And if you want still have a pure wallpaper, but then in the blur way, you just need to tap into this blur. And then now whenever you satisfied with everything, you just need to leave it, click done. And now you can see that the home screen background is already changed. Whenever you back into your home screen, this is what will you got. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. Let's meet again into other tutorial.